everyone, this is Usama here once again early in the morning for you and your kids with another activity. Today's activity is something different today. We have received a lot of questions from parents regarding how to improve preschoolers' pencil grip. They do not have proper pencil grip, or even if they have, they get tired real soon. What we suggest is, instead of pushing them towards more and more writing to improve their pencil grip, you need to work on their fine motor skills. And for that, a lot of playful activities are there. Our previous activities incorporate that too. But in this activity, we'll be improving our fine motor skills, and the best part, the activity also involves some woodworking skills. So, we'll be learning all of that. But first, let's have a look at the material that we need. The material that we need, first of all, we need some wooden pieces. Now, we had this log in our backyard, so we got it and we sliced them into pieces. So we are using these. You can use any wooden piece that you have. No need to get a new one. You can actually look into your storeroom. You'll find something there. You need some colorful threads, some nails. The nails should be an inch or 1.5 inch long. And you need a hammer, a small hammer, which is used for woodworking basically. Now, to start the activity, we'll take some nails. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you explain the kids a square has 4 sides. Now, we'll hold the nail. This thing is very important. Make sure the kids are actually holding the nail as if they're pinching it, because all these muscles here, they need to work in. And you hold the hammer from down here. Now, both of these steps are really important because your fingers do not have muscles now. They work on supporting muscles which are present there in your forearms and your hands. So when they're holding the hammer from down there, or when they're holding the nail as if they're pinching it, they're actually working out their muscles in the hand and forearm. So we'll start. Now we'll use threads here to wrap around the thread around these nails to create that shape that we actually are looking for. So we'll tie the thread here. Okay, then again, make sure they are using their middle finger, forefinger, and their thumb. We'll tie a knot here, and then we move it around the nails. Make sure they're working on the fingers and their hands. So here, we are done with our 2 basic shapes. So today you learned some basic tools, some basic material at your home can actually help you improve the fine motor skills of your children, improve their pencil grip without any hassle, without pushing them or without stressing them, with all ease and all fun. Then again, we'll be coming up with more activities. Stay connected.